Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, so November 7th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, starting from left to right, we had a gold trade. We got short in gold, and that was at that was on a power play that was at 1284.6, and that was at the 848 candle Central Standard Time right here. Actually, it was a couple before that. It was right here. Some people got in there. Some people got in there. Either way, we got in there 1248.6, and first target was about 25 ticks away. Actually, went about 30, 25.6. It went down to 84.6, almost. Almost 40 ticks, about 38 ticks on the first wave, and then we went to entry on our runners. After that, told everybody that it would potentially keep going. Had my next target was here. Actually had another stretch target way down below because we didn't know how far or how fast it was going to fall. But it did make it down there right before the close. Told everybody they want to be flat right at that circle. You'll see it didn't go much further, and in fact that was the low of the day. And that was about a 60 plus tick trade, down from 1284.6 down to here. So that was a great trade. And on the gold, on the crude, told everybody on this first trade here, we were right at the open. Didn't know if there would be any follow through because we were waiting for the ES to decide and make up its mind what it was going to do. We did try to get short on a trade, an understanding trade at 44.46. That one did make 10 pennies. There was no follow through, so anybody who only had one contract or took everything off would have made up to 10. Everybody else would have had a break even. Market came back up, came back down again. We hit the same exact trade here at 936 candle, and we took that down, and that one went down about 35 ticks, and that was a beautiful trade there. And then we did not do anything in the ES. We did have a trade at 12. Some people did take a trade in the ES. However, with the gold triggered first, so I told everybody it was the same time, a little bit before, and I told everybody who was in the gold, I said, look, we don't want to be in both trades. Only take this trade if you're gonna, if you can't take the gold for whatever reason. So there was a few people in here, but we were not in both. Okay, it was either one or the other, and that one worked from 12.12. My target was 21.20. 19 to 20-ish area, and that was hit. And then actually we had another target of 24, which was hit up there, but I don't think very many people were even in at that point. But that was a beautiful trade as well for those who took that. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, have a great day.